Make more viewers from Malik. Support here.
Support here daw. Diba? Vlogger na rin siya ngayon. Kaya nga ginawa ko ng Philjeep Family Channel. Kasi nakikisali na siya, guys.
Hi guys.
How are you? Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Kamusta ang lahat? Kamusta na kayo? Saang bansa man kayo? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Ngayon guys is 10th Ramadan na ngayon guys. Kaya ito papunta na naman ng work. Ayan, medyo okay na yung pakiramdam ko guys, kaya ito may ubo pa rin, pero yung ubo ko ganun pa rin, matigas pa rin, dry ka pa rin guys, kaya ayan. Yung boses ganun pa rin, medyo ano pa. Ayan. Pero hanggang ngayon di pa rin ako fasting guys. Si Abu Malik lang. Say hi guys na.
Hi guys, good morning. Ramadan Mubarak. Today Ramadan 10. Allah bless all of you. Just to make more viewers from Malik.
Again.
Make more viewers from Malik. Support here.
Support here daw. Diba? Vlogger na rin siya ngayon. Kaya nga ginawa ko ng Philjeep Family Channel. Kasi nakikisali na siya guys. Kaya naging family channel na yun eh. Kasi ano na siya, kasali na siya. Sana tuloy-tuloy na. Kaya sa mga hindi pa dyan nakasubscribe, please subscribe guys. And like, comment, and share. And don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos namin guys. Can you close this one? Yan ang ingay kasi guys. Ayun. Oops. 8:20 na ng umaga, 10 minutes na lang guys at malilate ako kasi ang tagal namin doon nakalabas kasi nga may nakaharang sa sasakyan niya, hindi kami makakalabas, tapos wala pang number na iniwan. Buti na lang din sa yung isang sasakyan tinawagan ni Abu Malik, sabi niya coming daw, pero ang tagal, nauna pa yung nasa likod namin, yung nakaharang sa likod niya, bumalik na walang number. Kaya buti naman. Sa mga shout out sa mga new subscribers ko dyan guys, sa mga gusto ding magpapasa shout out. Comment lang kayo para sa next video natin i-shout out natin kayo. Ngayon maganda yung climate guys. Mainit na mainit. Ang tingkad ng araw. Pero yung hangin malamig pa rin. Kaya ito daming nakakasakit. Lalo na ngayon fasting pa guys. Ramadan. Daming pag ganito kasi change climate. Talagang maraming tao na nagkakasakit. Ubo, trangkaso, ganun. Kaya number 1 na ako to ngayon. Tapos ano pa din sa Ramadan. Kaya ilang araw na hindi ako nakaka-fasting din guys. Sa pagpa-fasting pala guys, mag-start yan ng madaling araw. 5 o'clock sa close to it na.
Yeah.
Mula alas 5.
And 6 o'clock.
Until 6 o'clock ng gabi. Yun guys, walang kain talaga yan. Walang kain talaga yan. Kahit na uminom ng tubig, kahit na lumunok ng laway, hindi yan pwede. Pero depende na yan sa iba kasi syempre sa iba may ano din, may nag-cheat. Pero nasa kanila na yun. Pero dapat talaga walang ganun. Walang kainan, walang inuman, walang kahit nga yung ano, yung basta daming hindi pwede gawin guys pag Ramadan. Pag fasting ka, daming hindi pwede gawin. You can tell us, Ahmad, what in Ramadan, if you are fasting, what not allowed to do in Ramadan, in our fasting.
Okay. First of all, you stop eating and food and drinking from Fajr until Maghrib, 6 o'clock. Okay. Also, this first one. Second one, you should do more prayers for Allah. Read Quran, pray for Allah to give you more blessing like this. Okay. And also, you stop all bad habits like talking about people behind them. Don't fight with anyone. If anyone try to make you angry, said please, I am fasting for Allah. Okay. And also you should make more good things for people. You help poor people. You can give money, give food for them. Okay. What else?
The one you cannot do. It's not allowed to do when you are fasting. Like what? Eating now. Number one, eating.
So also the relation between man and woman in fasting, we can do this one after futur. It's okay. What else? This one in my mind. Not allowed. This one. Lying not allowed.
Talking in a bad words.
Bad word is not allowed. Also okay. What else? Taban, you should do your prayers in the times.
That one it's allowed. It's allowing. That the one it's
all
not
bad
allowed.
all bad things you should stop this one.
In
Ramadan in fasting. Yeah. Because this one beginning to make this one good habits in all of the year, not only Ramadan. Ramadan like the beginning for you. You understand?
Okay.
This one, yeah.
Ayun guys, narinig nyo na sabi niya. Kahit na yung makipagtali ka daw sa... Even kahit na makipagtali ka daw guys sa ano mo, sa asawa mo, hindi pwede. Totoo naman yan. Hindi yan pwede. Pero pagtapos ng fasting, pag open na yung 6, yung paggabi na, yun, pwede daw yun. Ayan na, tandaan nyo yan. So, sorry po. Ano pa yung pahabol niya? What you said? What you said the last time?
The lady should love their husband more.
Then how about for
and
the...
be their husband.
Okay, then how about for the husband?
Respect her husband.
Okay. It means you are telling to me that I'm not doing like that?
No, just I advise other people.
Okay. So, what you think of me, Annie? Because we are there, so we can talk.
Yeah, and if I give you degree 5 on 10,
Sure, ma.
no, I say good, mashallah. But sometimes,
What?
sometimes I want to bite here.
Why, Annie? You should talk. You should tell.
No, sometimes Aisha make me, I don't know.
Make me angry.
Not angry.
Oh, then what?
She not listen for me.
Okay, there's any reason, Yani?
Yeah, because Aisha last week she make one mistake. This one she signed some paper, but Ahmad solves this one, right or no?
Yeah, I know. Okay, about for that one, for the papers, the one I signed it.
No,
I did not think that Harris is going to cheat on me.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking that he did not do.
Yeah.
No, I'm thinking that time he did not do to me because he knows that you are lawyer.
Yeah.
So why he's doing for me like that?
Yeah.
See, in that time, the one I signed it, it's okay. Just I did not na
Because
yan.
he not explain for you what this one also.
Yeah, even he did not tell me that you
Because
increase
you don't know Arabic.
Even we are talking, both of us, we cannot understand because he Arabic and I'm English.
Yeah.
He did not talk English also. So,
Yeah.
even I did not think that he will do it like that. That he treat on me.
I
And,
saw him yesterday, but I don't talk with him also.
ayan guys, dami na kayong narinig sa aming dalawa. Kaya ayan, hindi, kasi ganito yun. Bali, nung nakaraang linggo, nag-sign ako ng papel guys galing sa Harris ng building, yung nagabantay sa building. Ngayon, yung pinirmahan ko, ano pala yun, kontrata para mag-increase ng rent namin, pataasan yung rent namin. Pero nag-sign lang naman din ako kasi hindi ko talaga naisip na gagawin ng Harris yun sa amin, sa akin o sa kay Ahmad. Kasi alam naman nila si Ahmad is lawyer. Tapos, ayun nga, talagang nagawa talaga ng Harris yun. Kaya hindi ko talaga naisip na gagawin ng Harris na mag-cheat nga ng ganun. Kahit na hindi man lang sinabi sa akin na pataasan yung increase. Kasi nung binigay niya sa akin, tinanong ko yung Harris, sabi ko bakit hindi siya bumalik. Tapos sabi niya kasi ako nakapangalan sa kontrata. Kaya pinirmahan ko din. Hindi talaga ako nag-isip na gagawin niya yun. Kaya ito nagalit.
What is it for your company?
Kaya ayun guys, tingnan na lang natin sa susunod na naman natin ang pag-uusap kasi nandito na ako sa office guys. See you in the afternoon guys. Bye! Ayan guys, dito na tayo sa bahay. Nasa kusina na tayo. Ayan, ngayon magluluto tayo ng bulalo guys. Bulalo. Papakainin natin si bumalik ng bulalo. Kaya ayan, ito na siya. Ayan, mag-i-start na tayo. Abangan. Ngayon guys, pang 10 araw na ng Ramadan. Hindi pa rin ako fasting kasi hindi pa masyado magaling. Siguro sa mga Friday. Try ko sa Friday kung okay na mag-fasting sa Friday. Ayan. Kaninang umaga guys, bitin tayo sa pinag-uusapan natin. No? Tutuloy natin yan bukas guys. Sa mga gustong magpa-shoutout dyan, comment lang kayo guys. Para ma-shoutout kayo sa next na video natin guys. Ayan guys, ito yung lalagay natin guys sa bulalo natin. Tsaka yung patatas. Ayan, patatas. Tsaka mais guys. Wala akong buo na mais eh. Ito lang ilalagay ko na mais guys. Dahil wala akong buo na mais, ito na lang ilalagay ko. Ayan, nag-ano na ako. Papakuluan natin guys hanggang lumambuot. Ayan na guys, luto na yung bulalo natin. Ayan na, higop naman tayo ng sabaw guys. Ayan yung macaroni pa rin ni Abu Malik, tsaka yun. At ako magra-rice. Ayan guys. Kaya kainan na guys, let's eat. Ay, nakalimutan ko tuloy yung mga dried fruits ni Abu Malik, guys. Hanggang dito na lang yung videos ko, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye!